Let's make a function that accepts arbitrary keyword arguments. So I'd like to make a function called sayThings that I can call with tray ducks equals 2, cup equals 1. And I'd like this function to print out tray has 2 ducks, 1 cup, that's all. Now, right now, the function that I've got only accepts name, and it prints out tray has, that's all, that's it. I can't call it with ducks equals 2, cup equals 1, because I will get an error. It says, sayThings got an unexpected keyword argument. In order to accept any keyword arguments given to this function, I need to use star star. I can say star star things or star star really any variable name here. And this is going to tell Python when this function is called, it should accept any keyword argument given to it. And those keyword arguments should be captured into a dictionary. The keys in that dictionary will be the argument names given, so in this case ducks and cup. The values in that dictionary will be the values that were given to those arguments, so 2 and 1. So to loop over this dictionary, I'll use the items method to get a tuple of key value pairs. So for this will be name, comma count in things.items. I'm going to print out the count and the name of each of these items. So this new function should act the way that I want. It should be able to accept a name and, for example, ducks equals 2 and print out tray has 2 ducks, that's all. If I say cup equals 1 and ideas equals 3, it'll print out tray has 2 ducks, 1 cup, 3 ideas, that's all. And this all works because of star star, which is capturing any keyword arguments given to this function into a dictionary. You don't really see star star used that often. This is most often used with class inheritance in Python, where you're capturing any arguments given to your class and passing them up to some parent class. However, there is one method that's on one of the built-in types in Python that I can think of that uses star star. That is the string format method. I can say n item dot format n equals 3, item equals ducks, and that prints out 3 ducks. Now, format doesn't just accept an item, it accepts any keyword arguments we could give to it. And we can actually see that by looking at the documentation for the format method. We can see it has star args, star star kwargs. This is a way of saying capture any positional arguments given to this function and any keyword arguments. So any arguments at all that are given to format, it will accept. So when you want to write a function that accepts arbitrary keyword arguments, you can use star star.